Element451 has really revolutionized the way that we engage with our students, simply with the personalization as well as the conversations that we're able to have with our students via text message, via email. It's really created this ecosystem within our college, within our institution.
And also to really kind of personalize what the students want, really kind of looking from their perspective. How can we deliver content that matches what they're looking for? So Element seamlessly provided that solution for us.
All in one spot gives us the ability to actually continue to see from freshman, sophomore, junior, senior year of high school, allows us to track that communication flow.
We're able to do dynamic emails. We can be more efficient with our work. More effective in how we communicate and engage with students.
When I started at the college, we were using Excel. So it was very difficult to track, to know what was going on. And now we have a database where we can see if they've opened up emails, we can see the whole text conversations, we can see where they are in the funnel stage. So it is just amazing that all of us can work together and jump in and help each other all in one platform.
We have been able to eliminate 5 different technology partner relationships because the Element platform has so much robustness to it to really help us leverage our marketing, admissions, recruitment, enrollment, and just our brand awareness. So it really is used for everything, it feels like.
They really come alongside of us, they understand our mission, our vision, and they work really hard to make sure that we are accomplishing our goals.
Working with the Element team is like working with family. They're always around. They're with you at the good points where we can celebrate, and then at those tough challenges that we're having when we're jumping over hurdles or having emergencies, they're there as well, and they're lending a helping hand all the time. So it's been a great experience working with the Element team.
Truly, I do feel like you all have become family more than anything. So I've never had a partnership with one of our technology partnerships that have felt like this. So you all are outstanding.